Hi children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Geometry, Pythagoras Theorem, Exercise 18, Part 1. Triangle ABC is right-angled at vertex A. Calculate the length of BC if AB is equal to 18 cm and AC is equal to 24 cm. Here, let's understand the question first. What they have given is triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle and it has the 90-degree right angle at vertex A, right? So this is what the first statement means. Calculate the length of BC. We need to find out BC, length of BC. If AB is equal to 18 centimeter and AC is equal to 24 centimeter. Here in this question, this first sentence plays a great role. Triangle ABC is right angle at vertex A. Because they have said it is a right angled, you can just assume the triangle like this. This is a right angled triangle, right? Always whenever they say it is a right angled triangle, you can draw the triangle like this, right? And what they are saying here is right angled at vertex A. Here, where is the angle formed? Here, this is the part where the angle is formed, right? So this angle should be A. So this, because this angle is 90 degree, here you will get a small box. So this angle will be 90 degree. Is right angle triangle at that vertex only, it should be marked as A. So this point should be A. And BC, you can just change the position. Even C can be written over here and B can be written over here. Doesn't matters. But A should be marked over here because they said ABC is right angled at vertex A. This is the vertex point A and this is right angle 90 degree. That's why we are writing A over here. This plays a major role. If you make a mistake over here, whole problem goes wrong. Calculate the length of BC. They're asking us to calculate the length of BC. Let's write the given data. This is the angle 90 degree. That's why I'm marking this vertex as A from according to the first sentence. Just write down the given data also. And AC, they have already given in the question. AC is 24 centimeter. So AC will be 24 centimeter. Just write down even in the given data part. And angle AB. Angle AB they have already given is 18 centimeter. Even here in the given data you need to write this. And they are asking us to find the length of BC. That means this length you need to find it out. Right? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we all know this formula. That is BC square, that is hypothesis square, is equal to the sides. This square AB square plus AC square. Right? This is the formula which you need to remember and it is really very easy. Now just substitute this given values inside this formula. That is what is BC? Even BC or AC, it's both and same, right? You don't get confused. If you have written over here, if it is CB, it doesn't makes any change. The length is same because either you can say B, which BC or CA, right? So BC, right? We don't know what is BC, so just write down as it is. And in place of AB, what is AB? It is 18. So 18 square, you are having a square over here on the top, plus, and what is AC? 24 square, right? Now you have to just double it. What is square means? 18 square means you have to just multiply 18 into 18, right? 18 into 18. If it is 24 square, then it is 24 into 24. So what you get is BC square is equal to 18 into 18 is 324. 24 into 24 will be 576. Now you can just add these two numbers. It becomes 900. Now BC square, right? BC square is equal to 900. But we need to find out only BC. But here you are having a square. At that time, this square will become as a square root. What it will become as a square root, that is BC is equal to square root of 900. To remove this square, we have to do the square root for this 900 because we need the value of only BC, not BC square. How to find a square root? When you are having a zeros, it is really very easy, right? See, I'll just tell you a short method. If you are having too much of zeros, this is square root of 900. How to find a square root of 900 is just forget the zeros. Okay, children, just forget the zeros. This is applied only when you are having too many zeros, right? Here you are having two zeros. Just forget it. Just think of this 9. Just multiply the double numbers. 1 1 is 1 and 2 2 is 4, right? 2 2 will be 4. So you can't take this. Again 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Yes, you are getting it right. Only you have to multiply with the same two numbers. 3 3 4 4 5 5 like that. But I'm stopping with 3 3 because you are getting 3 3 is 9, right? So just write down the one number. So just write down 3. And here you are having two zeros, right? Here you are having two zeros. So just put 1 0 out of that. So 30. So 30 is the square root for this 900, right? 30 into 30 will be 900. If you want it, you can just check it out by multiplying 30 into 30. This is applicable only when you are having too many zeros with a small number. That is, for example, square root of 1600. If in this case, just forget the zeros and 16. Just think of the 16. So 4 4s is 16, right? 4, and you can write instead of this two zeros, just write one 0. That is 40 into 40 will be 160. Sorry, 1600. 40 into 40 will be 1600. So square root of 1600 will be 40. This is applicable only when you are having this kind of thing, right? It is one of the easiest method. So BC is equal to 30. In my next videos, I will be teaching you a short methods to find out the square roots. So keep watching. Max Meet Easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras Theorem. Thank you.